साड़ीज़ बिकॉज आई थिंक साड़ी में एक लड़की बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. सबसे क्यूट साड़ी थी वो जो सबसे कलरफुल साड़ी थी. इट हैड ऑल द कलर्स ऑन इट. वाज द क्यूटेस्ट थिंग. बट आई ऑब्वियसली लव ब्लैक. एक ब्लैक साड़ी थी. ऑफ कोर्स शादी में नहीं पहन सकते बट इट वाज सच अ प्रिटी साड़ी. सो या आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम.
ओके, जनरली अगर आपकी बात करें तो किस तरीके के फैशन को व्हाट इज योर फैशन मानते हैं?
For me, comfort's very important, so I like to wear things that are comfortable, and I think that's the key. The clothes that you wear have to be comfortable.
What was the best thing about today's photo?
I think the sarees were light and airy, and it felt like you're not really wearing like a heavy saree. वो चलना फिरना आसान होना चाहिए साड़ी में, and I enjoyed shooting in it, so it was quite a lot of fun.
Okay, Neha, we have seen you in many of the albums and which have been a great successful. कोई possibility है कि अब हम आपको फिर से किसी नए एल्बम में देखें?
I mean, I'm always excited to do music videos क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि लोगों को बहुत पसंद आते हैं. अगर अच्छे गाने हों तो कोशिश यही रहती है कि अच्छे से अच्छा गाना सेलेक्ट करूं एंड लोगों को एंटरटेन करूं. सो या फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड.
एंड इसी के साथ में अभी हमने जब ऊपर लेकर में जिसका करा रहा है
जी.
हो रहा था
या.
क्या ध्यान में आता है सबसे पहले आप और सिद्धार्थ का गाना बहुत ज़्यादा हिट हुआ है.
या.
तो व्हाट इज योर मतलब सबसे क्या
See, now it's very different because all the memories come up and he's truly missed, and everybody, I mean, millions and millions of fans he's got. So I just want to say, stay strong, guys. And I know this is tough. I don't know how to deal with this myself, but I'm sending you all the love, and I hope this gets easier. Though he'll always be missed every day. So yeah, every time I see the song now, I remember him fondly and with good thoughts and happy memories, and I'm sure he's in a better place, and that's what I wish for him, and I wish strength for his loved ones and family.
Okay, lastly upcoming projects अपने share करना चाहेंगे?
जी ऑफ कोर्स बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ जो गिरा सारा रारा को लेकर के जो नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी के साथ. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ फैबुलस एक्टर. देन आई हैव आफत इश्क which is again a very amazing script. We've made it with a lot of love. It's coming out soon. I can't tell you when, but soon, and very excited about it. Of course, Illegal 2 की shooting भी खत्म हो गई है, so I think November it should release, and lots of interesting things coming.
एंड आपके शॉर्ट फिल्म की भी काफी
जी
responses
जी and I'm very excited the way people have responded to Vikalp, because Vikalp was not this commercial, masala short film. It was something which was about a very sensitive topic, and I wanted to support it because I feel like there are a few things that you should do for people, and I hope that it helps if not everybody, a lot of women to come forward and take a stand. So yeah, thank you for all the lovely response. Thank you guys.
Thank you.